We don't really know what to expect, so it'll be our first one. So yeah, we have to work. We are selling snow cones there, so we work here, and then she has like a traveling hut that she sells snow cones at, and she's gonna be parked somewhere over there.
Yeah. I think it's going to be the bed races. I think that's going to be pretty interesting because it's going to be down Main Street. I think it's going to be interesting seeing everyone coming out in their costumes and like dresses, and the men will be wearing like top hats, and then some of the ladies will have like country dresses like Little House on the Prairie or saloon dresses.
There's a lot of events, but I don't think anything with wooden shoes, except for celebrating and bringing back wooden shoe basketball teams and baseball teams that won state championships. And there's several of them.
Yeah.
They will be in a pageant. There's a 3-day pageant that they have talking about the whole history of the town on the church ball diamond over here. But besides that, there's a bed race. That's going to be neat as hell. Right out here, right on Main Street. They'll shut down the highway. I remember 25 years ago, it was hilarious. And they're only allowing 30 teams, because after that there's not enough time to get them all racing against each other, because there's several different heats. They got so much going on. Yeah, it's a real thing, but it's all part of the fun.
Yeah.
And the same thing happened 25 years ago. 25 years ago, they stole the jail. I've been threatened. They said I was withholding information about a group called Capers or something that been stealing things in a fun way, and they think I know who's behind it. Keep saying they got their eyes on me. They know I know information. I told them to look within, because within the Keystone Cops, somebody knows information too, and they're not telling.
Yeah.
I said, look inside your own little group of people. You've got a traitor.